Grammar quiz. The present perfect tense. Fill in the blanks using the present perfect tense. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. I blank my wife a ring for her birthday. Is it A, did buy, B, have buy, C, did bought, or D, have bought? The correct answer is D, have bought. I have bought my wife a ring for her birthday. 2. Number 7. Blank, the race. Is it A, have won, B, has won, C, had won, or D, will have won? The correct answer is B, has won. Number 7 has won the race. 3. Elvis blank all the other competitors. Is it A, has beaten, B, have beaten, C, has beat, or D, has beated? The correct answer is A, has beaten. Elvis has beaten all the other competitors. 4. The police blank the killer. Is it A, has identified, B, have identified, C, is identified, or D, are identified? The correct answer is B, have identified. The police have identified the killer. And 5. Joshua blank the roast chicken dinner. Is it A, did burnt, B, have burnt, C, has burnt, or D, had burnt? The correct answer is C, has burnt. Joshua has burnt the roast chicken dinner. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.